Okay, so quick video on how to do this calculation for question 7. I'm just going to do option 1. So what I did is follow that YouTube video that I linked above, and this is the answer I've got. So I'm going to show you how to get there. So you always have to clear your memory. So you always go, if you have this calculator, the alpha, and then 0, 0. So we're doing option 1. So it's a cash flow of 250K for 5 years. Now we need to presume that the cash flow is at the end of each year because they haven't clearly stated that there's anything at the beginning of the year. So we make that assumption that it's at the end of the year, just given on the way it's written. So when we enter in our cash flow, so it starts on year 0. So we're not getting anything on year 0. So I'm just going to go 0 and press the enter there. So that does year 0 for you. Now you want to go year 1. So what we do is we enter in our 250 cash flow and we go enter. Okay, and then we keep on doing that. 50, enter, 250, enter, 250, enter, and we have to get all the way up to year 5. Enter. Okay, so now we've entered in our cash flows for the things, and now what we want to do is enter in the interest rate. Now we have calculated that effective annual rate there because we need to use an annual rate. We can't really input quarterlies in here. So what we are going to do now is input that. We're going to press second up the top here, and then we're going to try and get this cash button here. So CFI, and you can see the cash on top there. Press that, and you'll see here it's got the rate we need to input. So we just go 6.136355, and then we go enter to enter that in. Now what we want to do is now calculate the NPV. So we got that little down arrow, we press that down, and now it's looking at, do you want to calculate the net present value? And what do we do to do that? We press comp. And there we go, that's our answer. So that's how we input that on the calculator. This will become very handy in the next couple of weeks when you're going to get cash flows with varying figures on each. Hopefully that helps.